Hi guys, welcome back to the MYBAGZING channel. In this series, I'm going to show you how to crochet a full set of breakfast items, but with a twist. You can't eat them, but they make the cutest crochet keychains, fun gifts for friends or family, or even adorable toys for kids. I'm sure you're going to love them as much as I do. In these episodes, we'll be making a croissant, a fried egg on toast, a chocolate chip cookie, and so much more. Let's get started. Today we're gonna do the fried egg. There are materials we need to use 3.0 mm crochet hook. Wrap the yarn around your pinky finger and pull through the index finger. Grab crochet hook and insert the loop. Yarn over and pull through. Chain 1. Chain 1 is not included in our total stitch count. Insert the hook in the big loop. Yarn over and pull out. It is the first single crochet at a mark. Insert the hook in the big loop. Yarn over and pull though. It is the second single crochet. We need to make 6 single crochet into the magic ring. After 6 single crochets, put the yarn tightly. Insert your hook into the last stitch. And make a slip stitch to join the round. Yarn over and pull through the 2 loops. To start round 2, make a chain 1 dot, and for the round 2, you have to make an increase into all the stitches. Add a mark on the first single crochet that we need to do 6 increases, to do 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. It is the end of round 2. Take off the mark. Connect with a slip stitch into the very first stitch. Chain 1. Add a mark on the first single crochet. At the end of round 3, before slip stitch, we're going to change to the white yarn. Put the white yarn, stuff the 2 loops. Connect with a slip stitch. Dot into the very first stitch. For round 4, make a chain 1. Use the back loops only of these stitches. Make an increase into all the stitches by using the back loops, only of them. Do not forget to bury those yarn tails under your stitches by placing them over your hook. Total 24 stitches for round 4. When you are finished, connect with the slip stitch. Chain 1. Now you can cut the yarns from the margin ring and the yarns that you carried. Now we're going to do the round 5. Add a mark on the first stitch. Connect with the slip stitch. Chain 1. For round 6, yarn over. Make 1/2 double crochet, and then 1/2 double crochet increase. Repeat 2 times. And then 8 single crochets. And then 1 double crochet increase. Repeat 3 times. Yarn over. Insert the stitch. Pull through the loops. It is double crochet. And in the same stitch, do a double stitch increase. Repeat 2 times. And then 4 single crochet. After 4 single crochet, do 1/2 double crochet. Half double crochet increase. Connect with the very first stitch by slip stitch. Chain 1. Cut the yarn. Conceal end. The egg is finished. If you guys are new, please subscribe and then don't forget to hit the bell so you're notified when I upload a new video.